In a world full of information, we try to understand what happens inside us calmly. This is Inner Scope. Everything begins here, in the mouth. Your teeth break food into smaller pieces, while saliva starts the first stage of chemical digestion. At this point, your body prepares the food to be swallowed, and once it's ready, the swallowing process begins. The food moves into a tube called the esophagus, but it doesn't just fall down because of gravity. There is a smart movement called Peristalsis. Muscles contract behind the food and relax in front of it, pushing it forward gradually until it reaches the stomach. Here, things become more intense. The stomach contains strong acids that break down food even further. It also mixes the food thoroughly until it becomes a semi-liquid substance. This stage is very important because it prepares the food for absorption. This is the most important stage. Here, your body absorbs most of the nutrients. Food is broken down into very small molecules, which are then transferred into the bloodstream to reach every cell in your body. What remains of the food moves into the large intestine. Here, water is gradually absorbed, and the remaining material becomes more solid. Movement slows down, but it is still essential to complete the process. In the end, every meal you eat goes through a complex and precise journey, and your body works silently to turn it into energy. This was the journey of food inside your body. This is Inner Scope.